Alright, this is Selby-Spear. I'm going to work on debugging a small program for a web programming class. So right now I'm showing what our Fix-It program is showing. We're going to go into our developer tools and use our debugging tools to see if we can figure out what's wrong. So right now we're in the console. We have an array of 1, so that might be a problem here. Now we're going to go into our sources here. We have our console down there, and let's see, we will add a breakpoint here, and we'll add our sort array under our watch here. Alright, so let's run this. Alright, we will start stepping into our issues here. So far our sort array is undefined. And right now, at this point at line 14, we have under our sort array for sort, it shows that our array is only 1, even though we have a large number here. So this is probably our issue. Let's continue to step here. Okay, so I'm going to move our JavaScript into here. So we have our sort values here, and we have, here's our array that we are supposed to sort. So we're going to sort array and we're going to split, and we are noticing that we're not splitting anywhere, so this does not know where we want to sort at or what we want to split. So we will split here at the commas. We did go to this here to look up how to split things, so that's how I know we need to split into words. So we're going to add our splitting so it knows to split at each word here. Save that. Move that out of the way. Oop. And we'll take our debugger off and see if that works. Okay, so now we have an array of 6, and it looks like they are sorted alphabetically. So now we have them in order. So if we step back into our debugging tool and run her again, step back in there, we can see that before we had an array of 1 and now we have an array of 6, which is what we needed to have. You can see that they're separated out now.